Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying essentials. Make sure your Realme OS and Gboard are updated because outdated apps change menus. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Additional Settings, then Languages and Input. This is where Keyboard controls live. Next, tap Current Keyboard to view active input methods, or choose Manage Keyboards to see Gboard listed. You're initiating removal now, not just inspecting, so hold on the screen. The next actions will disable or uninstall the Untilda layout or the app itself. Once inside Gboard, tap Languages and locate any Spanish or regional language that provides the Untilda key. You want to remove or change that layout so the character won't appear. You can uncheck the specific layout variant or delete the language pack entirely. Doing so removes the dedicated Untilda key. If the layout persists because of app updates, make sure to open App Info from the system settings and choose Uninstall Updates or Disable to revert behaviors. This step forces the keyboard back to the base. To finish, restart your phone so system services reload and the keyboard change takes full effect. This often clears lingering behavior. After reboot, test typing in notes or messages and switch between keyboards to confirm the Untilda is gone. If you still see the character, clear Gboard cache and data from App Info, then reconfigure only the languages you want. As a final troubleshooting tip, reinstall Gboard or try an alternate keyboard. Sometimes residual settings survive until reinstallation fixes them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.